What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Destructified video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove all the reposts at the same time. Not by one, but at the same time. As you can see, we can always go remove reposts.
Let's get it.
But we want to remove all of them at the same time, right? So what you have to do is click on the three dots on top. Once you click on it, you have to click on settings and privacy. Once you click on that, what you have to do, you have to click on activity center. Then once you click on that, you have to click on watch history, select all watch history, delete. Then once you delete this, just to go back, right? Then once you go back, what you have to do is scroll all the way down, click on report a problem. Once you click on report a problem, what you have to do is you have to click on submit a report. Once you click on that, you have to wait a few minutes. And right here, what you have to do is tell them, explain it in a whole paragraph, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell them, we're like, hello, TikTok Community Health Center. I need help removing all my reposts for privacy reasons. And you could just keep going by me. I'm gonna just submit it. It's not that big of a deal to me. So I just submit it, and in 24 to 48 hours, all your reposts should be gone. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you guys need any help, make sure you leave a comment down.